It's a 2018 GMC Terrain. This Terrain means more than just utility and capability. It's a strikingly designed crossover that bridges the gap between comfort and function. A great vehicle is comprised of great features like these: turbo inline 4-cylinder engine, dual zone climate control, external memory control, rear parking sensors, front heated bucket seats, power heated mirrors, voice activation, active grille shutters, Wi-Fi hotspot, and automatic transmission. GMC, professional grade vehicle suited to fit your needs. They say a journey of 1,000 miles begins with one step. In this case, it begins with a test drive. Start your next adventure today.
Choose Sheboygan Auto. We're conveniently located at 3400 South Business Drive or at 2701 Washington Avenue in Sheboygan, Wisconsin. SheboyganAutos.com.